All right, we're down at the spot, dude. People need to do better. Look at this shit. This wasn't here last time. It's like fucking shingles and shit. The fuck are people doing, dude? Fuck, that pisses me off. First things first. Go. I gotta place this. Let's put this right. Ugh. Sweet. Yes, sir. Get me some of that nectar the gods. Oh, look at that sun coming up. Oh, look how gorgeous it is out here. Ah, sweet baby Jesus.
All right, let's rig up. I'm going to just use a leader, a swivel, and a split shot. I'm going old school. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. All right. All right, let's get this shit put away. Oh, I just hooked myself. Nice. All right, let's see. Let's go. Swivel. I don't have any actual swivel, so I'm just gonna pop this out. The snap swivel. Pop that. Take that, you bend it over. You got yourself a perfect little swivel. Do a little trim. All right, now we need to get, let's see, I'll set this there on the trash. Fucking assholes. See this? I pack my trash, bitch. All right, let's get some line going. We got some, what do we got here? Fuck it. Oh, 6 pound test. My son taught me this, so you give it a twist. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it twists it perfect. Teach it. Oh, I forgot to put my weight on. We'll also put some split shots on there. All right, let's get a hook going. All right. I am probably gonna take the barbs off this hook, because I am fishing where there's a spot where there's native cutthroats, and I don't plan on keeping any of these fish. So I don't want to mangle a fish, which I've done before. I think we all have. Give that a twist through there. Boom. Quickest way to tie a knot. I am going to pinch the barb off that sucker. That's good enough. All right, I'm going to put, let's see. Just going to put one split shot on there. Slide that down. Give it a pinch. All right. I think that'll work. Now I'm gonna shut this so I don't spill it. Yes, sir. Get me some of that nectar of the gods. Oh, look at that sun coming up. Oh, look how gorgeous it is out here. Sweet baby Jesus. All right. Some nice fresh crawlers. Well, these are tiny. There you go. There's a fatty. All right, this is how I do it. Everybody does it different. I like these worm skewers. You skewer these bitches. That's how you get the most money out of your worms, I think. Go like that. Tighten that up. Skewer that bitch on there. Boom. That worm will last forever. You won't be able to huck that thing off. All right, let's see what we can do here. Here we go. I might need to add more weight on this eventually. For now, I'm gonna sneak up here. You gotta be stealthy with these little fuckers. All right. I'm just gonna give a little plop down here and let it float under this tree right here. Gonna go like that. Let it drift down into the sweet zone. I might need to get some more weight on there and get it down just a little bit deeper. Let's try this. I'm gonna cast it out here. It's drifting slowly but surely. Come on, baby. Huh, huh, come on, baby. It's like Beavis and Butthead. Nothing. Usually this spot's good for a trout right there. Well, let's try this up here. Sometimes the spot down over here is pretty good. Alright. See if I can do this without tangling up everything. Yeah, that water's high. All right, this is what we're gonna do. See if I can do this. No, eat shit. No, eat a shit. I'm gonna put this right here. We're gonna scoot under this log without getting a worm in the face. All right. Let's see what we do. Man, it's crazy. Nothing. Usually I'll get a little couple taps. Wonder if the water's just too high. Wonder if I need to put on a spinner. Usually worms my go-to. Oh, we're snagging all kinds of shit over there. Maybe a little faster retrieve. Sometimes that'll get them biting. How's nothing want to eat that? I'd eat it if I was a fish. I'd be all over that. Maybe I need a half a worm. Maybe it's too big. Huh. Let's go try the other spot back. Let's just do a little pitch right here, see what happens. Man, I can't believe it. Usually I'm down to get a bite. Alright, let's see here. Let's get one more weight on there. See if that'll help us out. You gotta figure these fish out, dog. There we go. Put one of that one on there, right there. Alright, let's see if that does it. Before we go, more nectar. Oh, nectar. I went fishing on the Umpqua yesterday. I caught a bunch of smallmouth. It's quite fun. I should have recorded that. I caught a chunky little monkey. Oh, see that bird? All right, let's expose this hook a little bit. In case I do get a bite. All right, let's see if this works. It's definitely a little more weight on there. Let's see, sometimes if I go like this and get it real low. Let's see if I can do this. Get this way. And let the current take it. Oh, that was a shitty cast. Maybe the sun needs to come up a little bit more. He's like, no, I'm full. Oh, wait. He's like, no, I'm full already. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Oh, I think that's just the bottom. Should I put a fatty on there? Yeah. Something's keeps on eating my worm. Let's put a new one on there. Juicy. All right, that's it, y'all. That's the one. We need some nectar. Give me that nectar, baby. Oh. Some for the homies. I will pick that up because I'm not a piece of shit. All right, here we go. What do y'all think? Is this the cast? Oh, that might have been too much. I might have sent her a little too hard. All right, let's send her. Why wouldn't something want to eat that juicy worm? All right, let's go back where it was. It was right there. That's it. Oh. Well, eat it, damn it. Nah, huh? You don't want it, huh? Too good. I think I might have too much weight on there. Oh, there we go. Something was biting it. There you go. Something tiny. Let's see if I can get it down a little bit lower. Gonna rip the pole right out of my hands. Uh-oh, I'm snagged. Where am I snagged at? Right down there, huh? Let's see if I can get this back. Bushes are eating me. All right, let's see. Where are you at? Let's go try over here again. You got fresh battery, fresh worm. Oh. Give that a shot. Damn. There we go. What'd I get? I got it all back. Alright, it's all a fucking mess. There we go. What would happen if I just pitch it down there? Alright, let's get back up top. Hopefully I didn't spook the fish. Oh, there we go. Something bit in it. Something bit it. Let's let him have it. Oh, whatever it is, it's small. All right, there we go. Fish. Yeah. Oh, shit. Finally. What do we got? Oh, he didn't even put up a fight. What do you got? Man, you were sluggish, bud. Nice little chrome trout. Yeah, all good. It's a little wild one. Oh, he's pissed now. Well, now you wake up. There he goes. He's off. All right. We got one. Let's try that again. Am I not recording? Let's see. It's recording. Sweet. All right, let's go get another worm on there. See if we can do that again. I think it's starting to warm up. All right. Let's see if I can do this. Hooking myself in the face. All right, take that. Oh, it's a little guy. Should we try the little guy? All right, threaded worm. Let's go for it. Oh, I hate sticks. No eat shit. There we go. Put that there. All right. Oh, is that a worm? Fast. Snaggy snag. Okay. I don't think I'm getting that one back. Let's bust it off. Okay. Should I try a spinner? Let's try flipping this thing on there. I know it's a little bit big. Let's try up here again. This thing's the bomber. Oh, of course. When I'm not paying attention. Nice. What we got? What do we got here? Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Let's see if I can get this thing unhooked. Oh, fuck. Alright. Got one of those. Alright. Just that. Beautiful little guy. See you later, bud. Thank you. He's gone. I just noticed there's a fucking fuck up in my line. It looks like they're liking the spinners. Hopefully I don't get a steelhead on here. All right, let's do this. All right, fresh new line. Let's see if I can wing that out there even further now. Oh yeah, look at that. That's about the same. Oh shit. Oh, perfect. What happened? Switching to the iPhone. The battery went dead on the GoPro, of course. Rainbow. Yes. Beautiful little cut through it. Ooh, it's coming back. There he goes. Let's see if we can do that again. Alright, y'all, I'm done. Caught about, I don't know, 5 or 6 trout. It's fun stuff. Peace. Hey, like and subscribe if you want.